Losing weight is often seen as a physical challenge. We focus on diet and exercise. But what about the mind? Your mind plays a crucial role in your weight loss journey. It can be your greatest ally or your biggest obstacle. Understanding how your mind works is the first step to achieving your weight loss goals. Your mind is divided into two parts, the conscious and the subconscious. The conscious mind is the thinking part of your mind. It makes decisions and sets goals. The subconscious mind is more powerful. It stores your beliefs and habits. It controls your automatic responses. To achieve lasting weight loss, you need to address both your conscious and subconscious thoughts. This essay will explore how to do just that. You will learn practical techniques to reprogram your mind for success. Are you ready to unlock the power of your mind for fast weight loss? Your conscious mind is your biggest asset in your weight loss journey. It's the decision maker. It's the goal setter. It's the planner. When you decide to lose weight, it's your conscious mind that makes that choice. Start by setting realistic and specific goals. Don't aim to lose a huge amount of weight quickly. Instead, focus on small, achievable targets. For example, aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. This approach is more sustainable and less overwhelming. Next, make conscious choices about your diet and exercise. Choose healthy whole foods over processed foods. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. These are all decisions your conscious mind can make. Remember, every time you choose a healthy meal or engage in exercise, you're reinforcing positive habits. You're training your conscious mind to prioritize your health. While your conscious mind makes the plans, your subconscious mind often holds the keys to lasting change. This part of your mind is like a vast storehouse of beliefs, habits, and automatic responses. It operates beneath the surface of your awareness, influencing your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Think of your subconscious mind as a garden. Positive thoughts and beliefs are like nourishing soil, allowing healthy habits to flourish. However, negative thoughts and limiting beliefs act like weeds, choking the growth of positive change. Often, our subconscious minds hold deep-seated beliefs about ourselves and our bodies that can sabotage our weight loss efforts. These beliefs might stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or even messages we received during childhood. Beliefs like, "I'm not good enough," "I'll always be overweight," or "I don't have the willpower" can create internal resistance, making it challenging to stick to our goals. The good news is that we can reprogram our subconscious mind. By identifying and replacing these limiting beliefs with empowering ones, we can create a fertile ground for lasting transformation. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is like tilling the soil and planting new seeds. Replace old limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Use affirmations to change your thoughts and feelings. Repeat positive statements regularly. Consistent affirmations lead to real changes. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. For example, say, "I am worthy of love and respect. I am committed to my health." Section 5. The power of positive affirmations. The key to using affirmations effectively is, repetition and belief. Repeat your affirmations several times a day, especially first thing in the morning and last thing at night when your subconscious mind is most receptive. It's also crucial to believe in the affirmations you're using. If you don't believe what you're saying, your subconscious mind won't either. If you find yourself struggling to believe a particular affirmation, try tweaking it to make it feel more authentic to you. For example, instead of saying, "I love my body," which might feel inauthentic if you're struggling with body image issues, try saying, "I am learning to love and appreciate my body more each day." This slight shift in language can make a big difference in how believable and impactful the affirmation feels. Remember, reprogramming your subconscious mind takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing your affirmations consistently. Over time, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors as your subconscious mind begins to embrace these new, empowering beliefs. Section 6. Visualize your success. Visualization is another powerful technique that can help you harness the power of your subconscious mind for weight loss. It involves creating a clear mental picture of yourself achieving your desired outcome. Close your eyes and imagine yourself at your ideal weight, feeling healthy, confident, and vibrant. Engage all your senses in the visualization. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you smell? What do you taste? The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful its impact on your subconscious mind. When you visualize yourself achieving your goals, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind that this desired outcome is possible. Your subconscious mind then starts working behind the scenes to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with this vision, increasing your chances of success. Practice visualization regularly, ideally once or twice a day. Find a quiet space where you can relax and fully immerse yourself in the experience. Allow yourself to feel the positive emotions associated with achieving your weight loss goals. Section 7. Cultivating mindfulness, a key to lasting change. Mindfulness is about becoming more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It's about paying attention to the present moment. Cultivate mindfulness in your weight loss journey through mindful eating. Create a calm eating environment and savor each bite. Pay attention to the colors, textures, aromas, and flavors. Notice if you're eating out of hunger or emotional triggers. Mindfulness helps manage stress, reducing the urge to overeat. Section 8. Setting realistic goals. The foundation of success. Setting realistic goals is crucial for success in any area of life, especially when it comes to weight loss. Unrealistic goals can lead to frustration, disappointment, and ultimately, giving up on your journey altogether. Start by assessing your current lifestyle, habits, and commitments. Consider your schedule, your energy levels, and any other obligations you have. Base your goals on what you can realistically achieve within the context of your life. Instead of aiming to lose a drastic amount of weight quickly, focus on small, sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. For example, instead of aiming to lose 10 pounds in a month, set a goal of losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. Break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make your journey feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Each step you take towards your goals is a victory worth acknowledging. Section 9. The importance of self-love in your weight loss journey. Self-love is an essential ingredient in any successful weight loss journey. When you approach weight loss from a place of self-criticism and punishment, it creates resistance and sabotage. Instead, focus on treating yourself with kindness, compassion, and understanding. Your body is your home, and it deserves to be treated with respect, regardless of its size or shape. Instead of focusing on your perceived flaws, appreciate your body for all that it does for you. Thank it for its strength, its resilience, and its ability to carry you through life. Engage in activities that nourish your body and soul. Take relaxing baths, read inspiring books, spend time in nature, or listen to uplifting music. When you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. Remember, your weight loss journey is about becoming the healthiest and happiest version of yourself. It's not about striving for perfection or comparing yourself to others. Embrace your unique beauty and celebrate your progress along the way. Section 10. Patience and persistence. The long game of weight management. Weight loss is not a race, it's a journey. There will be ups and downs, challenges, and setbacks along the way. The key is to approach your journey with patience, persistence, and a commitment to the long game. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately or if you have slip-ups along the way. Everyone's journey is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What matters most is that you keep showing up for yourself day after day and making healthy choices that support your goals. When you encounter setbacks, view them as learning opportunities rather than failures. Ask yourself what you can learn from the experience and how you can use it to move forward in a more positive direction. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or a weight loss group. Having people to cheer you on, offer encouragement, and hold you accountable can make a world of difference in your journey. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey to a healthier you starts now. You have the power to create lasting change in your life. By understanding the intricate connection between your mind and body, you can unlock the potential for fast and sustainable weight loss. Remember, your conscious mind is your ally in making healthy choices, setting goals, and staying motivated. Your subconscious mind, once reprogrammed with positive affirmations and visualizations, becomes a powerful force driving you towards your desired outcome. Embrace the principles of mindfulness, self-love, and realistic goal setting as you navigate the path to a healthier you. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your dreams. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts now. Take the first step and watch as the transformative power of your mind unfolds. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardmanti.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos.